In ZWCAD 2025, we have optimized the ribbon and panels. You can customize the program interface according to personal habits to improve efficiency. The ribbon panel can be slid out, fixed or collapsed. According to your preference, you can adjust the position of the panel by dragging it. Meanwhile, the ribbon panel can be floating in the drawing area and combined with another panel. You can fold the floating panels to expand the drawing area. If you want to call out the functions again, click to expand it. By folding panels that are not in use, you can have a larger drawing area to view more content. In addition, you can combine panels through the navigator. The panels can also be automatically hidden to provide a larger drawing area. When you want to access them, click to expand it. If you move away the mouse cursor, the panels will be automatically collapsed. With the above functions, you can customize your program interface to improve efficiency. Interested in them? Download ZWCAD 2025 and have a try.